Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create checklists on cards in Trello. Start by opening Trello and going to the board where you want to add a checklist. Click on the card you want and it will open the card details. Next, click the checklist button in the menu. A small window will appear asking you to name your checklist. Give it a name like to do or steps and click add. Now you can start typing your checklist items and press enter after each one. You can add as many items as you need. Once your checklist is ready, you can check off items as you complete them. You can also add multiple checklists to a card, reorder items, or even assign members to specific tasks for better organization. And that's it. That's how to create checklists on cards in Trello. We have plenty more tutorials just like this, so if you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.